It's Britney Spears. And the crowd goes wild. It's interviewing with Britney. So
Hi, y'all.
So Britney, why are you going bald?
Well, I think that really because I was going through a rough time, you know, with the babies and everything and Kevin. So, yeah, next question, please. Oh my God. Strong Britney, strong Britney. Oh, can you please stop this? Please, can you stop this? Hey y'all, it's Britney Spears coming to you live from my new house in Louisiana. I love my babies, Preston, and you know my other one, I forgot his name. And I'm never going out with K-Fed no more because K Federline treats me bad. He took my babies, and everybody don't think I can sing real good, so I'm finna do a acapella. Here goes, y'all. I must confess, I still believe when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a side, hit me, baby, one more time, yeah. There you go, y'all. I finally got my song. I know y'all love it. I'm getting ready to go sing. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide. Sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night. All I really want is to hold you tight. Okay, I'll be singing live from the studios, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye.